your brethren bingo and him buying GLE or in nice markets or a clean little 110 where you know and take pride in her, you happy for him or happy for your dog, man? When you see your fellow brothers and sisters excelling, you're happy for him or you happy for him? You might find yourself start watching and say, no, he say, when go do this, let me see if he won't give me this, let me see if he won't do that. You get to the point now where you start pre the dog. You start pre your family member. You start pre your friend. And I always say, if it get to the point where you feel the need to start pre, go on your ways. Because no positive now come after that. You are going to go down one road now where it's not a nice road you go down. Because if me and you have a relationship like that, you're not supposed to have to sit down and pre me. Let me see if him all this. Let me see what I'm do. Supposed to can come to me and say Ray and Tay. You're not supposed to watch one side and let me see what I'm do. Nothing positive is behind those thoughts.